The most important button in a system is usually the one nobody wants to press. It sits at the edge of automation like a ritual object. Red, simple, final. A machine handles the normal world. It monitors, adjusts, calculates, corrects. Most of the time, that is the miracle. The human does not need to touch anything. And then one day, the machine reaches the edge of its map. That is when the button appears. Not because the system is simple, because it has become too complex for any other answer to fit on the panel. We call this human oversight. We say there is still a person in the loop, but the loop has changed shape. The human is no longer steering the system. They are waiting beside it, trained by months of normal operation to do nothing, until suddenly they must do everything. This is the strange bargain of automation. It removes small decisions from human hands, then returns one enormous decision at the worst possible moment. Press the button, and you may stop the machine too early. Do nothing, and you may let it continue too long. The screen is full of numbers. The alarms disagree. The procedure assumes you understand a system that has been understanding itself without you. The hardest part is not knowing that the button exists. The hardest part is knowing when the button has become real. Because an emergency button is not just a control, it is a confession. It admits that beneath the dashboards, the models, the rules, and the automation, there is still a boundary where judgment cannot be outsourced. The machine can carry the routine, but the exception comes back to the human. And by the time it does, the human may have forgotten what control feels like. The boundary is not between automatic and manual. It is between supervision and responsibility. And someday, the question will not be whether there is a button. It will be whether anyone still knows when to press it.